কই ঢুকলা কই ঢুকলা তুমি? They are totally stupid guy. Dilkusha Motijil. Distance 6.29 kilometers. Now I will call him. I asked my customer to stand near the Jatri Chowni, and now I am going there. He was standing and he selected his location inside the footbar bridge. Inside the footbar bridge, always there are a lot of traffic. I am at my customer's location. Now I have to call him. Where is he? Now I am using this Sadabad route because I am going to Motijil, and the Gulistan route is totally full of traffic. I will use this left side route because this route is totally free, and this route is using for over 20 days. After 100 meters I have to turn right. কই ঢুকলা কই ঢুকলা তুমি? They are totally stupid guy, and he wanted to quarreling with me. Fare 106. No. এটা কি আপনার লা মেরিডিয়ানের ওইদিকে? না, আপনি বনানী আছে না? হ্যাঁ, টাকা দিন। আপনি অ্যাপসে দেন কত আছে? 300 টাকা দিন, 300। আচ্ছা তাহলে যান। He wants to go to Kochukhat for lower fare, but I won't go. Now I will go near the Gulistan flyover. I got another trip request from here. Now I have to call the passenger. Where is he? My customer asked me he's coming in few minutes. Let's see how much time it will take to come him. My customer don't know the roads very well, so I'm telling him how he have to come to my location. Where is he? That passenger did not understand how he have to come to his pickup point, so I asked him to cancel the ride request. Then maybe he cancelled, and now I am going to near the Gulistan flyover. From there I will try to take a trip